How's it going, guys, and welcome to my R107 series of videos. And today we're gonna try to fix my exhaust system. So I took the car to the dealership and they want to charge me $2,500, and my challenge is gonna be fixing it for 10% of that value. So let's get started. So step one was identifying the leaks, and I came with this brilliant idea of creating my homemade smoke machine with a Cuban cigar, a Coca-Cola, and an air compressor. That didn't clearly work as expected, and my entire garage ended up smelling like an old dancing club. So then I moved to my second idea, which was pushing in air through the exhaust, but in this case spraying the different areas with soapy water and checking for bubbles. As a conclusion, out of the 5 joints, all of them, they were leaking. And on top of that, the center muffler is destroyed. So now it's time to fix this. So for these 3 joints, we're going to have to create the gaskets. For this one, we're gonna buy the OEM Mercedes-Benz one. We're gonna get an ANSA muffler, and hopefully without any gasket this one will be fixed. Let's see how it goes.
Bought it as an ANSA, but yeah, it's clay something, and yeah, and it can kind of it's not a Capristo.
Center muffler, rear OEM beautiful quality muffler, and ANSA, whatever brand that thing it is. I could not let this opportunity pass. I don't know if this is bad for the engine. I hope it's not. Let's see how it sounds. I'm so excited. Exhaust system in place, and before we start the engine for the very first time, let's do the final leak test. And listen to that, the car is running great and leak-free. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing, as I'm planning on doing a lot of videos bringing this car back to life.